Hello creative people, welcome back to BK Creative Crafts. Let's make a beautiful birthday greeting card. Take a 21 x 29.5 cm A4 size white paper, mark it 3 cm on both sides and draw 2 3 cm lines and draw another line by connecting them. Mark it 3 cm on both sides and draw 2 3 cm lines and draw another line by connecting them. Now mark it 2 cm on both sides and draw two 1.8 cm lines and draw another line by connecting them. Now cut both the lined parts and fold the cut part. Bring the folded part to inside of the paper. Again cut the lined parts and this time cut the upper part of the paper and fold it. Bring the cut part to inside of the paper. Again do the same. Now take a 21 x 29.5 cm A4 size purple or violet color paper and fold it to the half and paste the white paper inside the purple paper. Take two 1 x 21 cm purple papers and paste them on the white paper. Take a 3.5 x 3.5 cm purple paper, fold it to the half and draw half heart shape and cut it. Now take a light purple color paper, fold it to the half and keep that paper inside the purple paper. Draw exact shape, remove the purple paper and draw a smaller half heart shape and cut it. Again do the same. Now paste all paper hearts one upon another and paste them on the white paper. Take few purple and white color papers and fold them to half. Now paste them one upon another like this. Now take a white paper and paste it on purple paper like this. You can give any small gift inside this like chain, any photo or any note. And write something inside these papers. Or you can paste photos of that person to whom you are going to give this greeting card. Take 2 cm purple papers and make little hearts and paste them on the white paper. Now take a 21 x 15 cm white paper and take a 4 x 4 cm purple paper and fold it like this. Draw a petal shape and cut it. Now fold the paper like this and glue it. And the flower is ready. Make more flowers and paste them on the white paper. Take a 0.8 x 15 cm purple paper and paste it on the white paper. And take a 6 into 6 centimeter light purple color paper and fold it like this. And cut it like this to make a paper ribbon. Paste it on the paper and decorate it and write happy birthday. Take 2 white papers and 3 purple papers and paste them like this. And now fold it to the half. Again fold it like this. You can fold it like this if the paper is thin. Fold it again like this. And finally fold it to the half and glue it. Paste them inside the white paper at the border. Here is our beautiful greeting card. If you like this greeting card, then please do like, comment and share this video with your creative friends and family members. And also subscribe to BK Creative Crafts and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my craft ideas. Thanks for watching.